Here are two video enhancement settings that can be found on your OnePlus phone with Android 16, Oxygen OS 16. So we're talking about the image sharpener as well as the video color boost. On your OnePlus phone, you want to go ahead and use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle here one time. Then you'll see these settings here. Go down until you see display and brightness. Once you're in this area here, you will now be able to go down until you see the video enhancement engine section. This is a feature that's been around for quite some time on OnePlus phones. And you got the image sharpener here, which when you go into it, you can turn it on, and yes, it will use some more battery life, just so you know. All right. And of course, you can turn it off at any given time. Then you got the video color boost. All right. So this one basically enhances the color of what's being shown in your videos. And again, it will use some battery life. So you can always come back and turn these on and off at any given time. And again, this is for OnePlus phones. Not all OnePlus phones will have these two features. Some of them may only have one of the two that you see here, but that is that, like and sub.